Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. I have picked 5 stocks to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So all the 5 stocks have high potential trades. So make sure you are watching this video till the end to understand the logic behind those trades. The first stock is Cummins India Limited. Cummins India Limited, if you observe the price action in daily time frame, so this is the support level, right? So this is the support level. So whenever the price reaches this level, so let me explain what I mean. So as you see, this is the support level, right? So whenever the price reaches this support level, we see that buyers are getting activated and they are pushing the price on the upper side, right? So currently what happened is, currently we got a breakdown below this support level, retested the same level, and bearish price action is currently expected. We are expecting bearish price action because if you check the candlesticks, so let me zoom in the chart. So as you see, after the breakdown of this support level, so previously it was acting as a support, currently this will act as a resistance, right? So after the breakdown, so it has given the breakdown, retested at the same level, and bearish price action is currently expected. So because we are expecting bearish price action because we got the shooting star candle right at the resistance level, right? So in addition to that, we have a chart pattern which is a rising wedge chart pattern. So if you check the price action in 1 hour time frame, it will be very clear. So let me switch to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, this is 1 hour time frame chart. So we got so as you see, after the breakdown of this level, so the price was consolidating within this rising wedge chart pattern, right? So we can expect a breakdown in tomorrow's trading session because we got the shooting star candle right from the resistance. So this is the resistance level, right? Minor, so this is the minor support level. So we got a bullish candle right from the support level, this minor support level. So the last 1 hour candle is a bullish candle. So in tomorrow's trading session, let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as this low, today's low is broken, once the price breaches today's low, we can initiate a sell trade. So our entry level will be, we can trade this on the sell side. So our entry price will be at 903. Our stop loss will be at 914. Okay. So 903 is the entry price, 914 will be the stop loss. Our first take profit will be at 895. Our next take profit will be at 880. Okay. The next stock is Rec Limited. So this is weekly time frame chart. So as you see, this is the important resistance level. So whenever the price reaches this resistance level, we see a bearish price action, right? So whenever the price reaches this level, the sellers were getting activated, we see a bearish price action. 3 times it has tested this level. So if you check the price action in daily time frame, so we got an engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle right at the resistance level, right? So in addition to that, we have an chart pattern, rising wedge or upward channel pattern. So if you see, the price was trading within this channel or a rising wedge chart pattern. So it was trading within this channel. Currently we see a breakdown below this, right? So it was testing this support level multiple, it has tested this support level multiple times. Currently we got a breakdown below this. So in weekly time frame, we see a bearish from the resistance level. In daily time frame, we got the engulfing candle. So there is a good opportunity to trade this on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So let me explain where the entry and exit levels will be in lower time frame. So let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame chart. So as you said, this is the 15 minutes time frame chart. So this is the support level which is tested multiple times, right? So currently we got a breakdown below this. We got the breakdown. Retest can be expected in tomorrow's trading session. So our entry level will be, so we can expect two kind of entries in this. So we can expect two scenarios of price action in tomorrow's trading session. So though we got an range at this level which comes around, so we got a range around this level, right? So around this support level we got the consolidation phase. So in tomorrow's trading session we can expect two types of entries. So if you see a bullish price action in morning session, do wait for the price to retest this resistance level. So previously it was acting as a support level. So after the breakdown, the same will act as a resistance, right? So if you see a bullish price action in morning session, do wait for the price to retest 160 level. So around 160 level, look for the wick dominating candles like shooting star or an gravestone doji candle. So with this type of candle, we can initiate a sell trade. So our first take profit will be at 157. Our next take profit will be at 154. In case if we get the entry at 160 level. So this is one scenario. So a small pullback is expected. So after that we can expect a bearish price action. This is one scenario. The other scenario is, as soon as the price breaches today's low, which is 157, do wait for the small pullback, and with a good candlestick confirmation like shooting star or weak dominating candles, we can initiate a sell trade. Our first take profit will be at 154 and our next take profit will be at 150 level. Okay. The next stock is, before we get into the next stock, a quick introduction about my channel. So the channel name is Trader Naveen. So I'll be posting regular videos on this regarding intraday stocks and educational videos on technical analysis. So those who have not yet subscribed my channel, make sure you are subscribing this. So let's get to the next stock. The next stock is Dabur India Limited. So as you see, this is the support level. So whenever the price reaches this support level, buyers are getting activated. So currently we see a breakdown below this, right? So we got a breakdown below this. So if you check this candle, so let me zoom in the chart. So as you see, this is the breakdown candle, right? We got a breakdown below the support level. So the support turned to the resistance, right? So let me switch to the lower time frame. Yeah, this is 15 minutes time frame chart. So if you check today's price action, so this is the first candle, right? So this is the first candle. So after that, so we see a gap up opening, we see a consolidation and a fall in at the end of the day, right? So this is a consolidation zone and we got a resistance at the level. So previously it was acting as a support, currently it will act as a resistance, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, if you see a bullish price action in morning session, wait for the price to retest this resistance level, which comes around 616. So wait for the price to retest this level. So in case of bullishness in the morning session, so do wait for the price to retest this resistance levels. At the resistance level, look for the wick dominating candles like shooting star or an gravestone doji. With this kind of candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side. Our stop loss will be around 618 and our first take profit will be at 604 and our next take profit will be at 597. So this is one scenario. So in case of bullishness, this scenario will be executed. So in case the price opens flat and if you see a breakdown below 604, we can initiate a sell trade immediately at 604. So our stop loss will be at 608. Okay, 4 points of stop loss and we can expect a target of 597, and our next take profit will be at 590. Okay, the next stock is Just Dial Limited. Just Dial Limited, this is daily time frame chart. As you see, stock is already in the sell trend from couple of days. So we got an inside candle today, right? So we got the inside candle, that we got the shooting star weak dominating candle. So in case if you see a breakdown below today's low, we can expect a bearish price action. Let me explain what I mean. So if you check these two candles, so this candle is an inside candle, right? So this candle is inside candle, right? So if you check the price, if you compare the price action with previous day candle, so this price action got happened within the previous day candle. We got the inside candles. The same scenario is repeated at this level. So once you see a breakdown below this candle low, we see a bearish price action, right? The same scenario is expected at this level. So if we see a breakdown below today's low, we can expect a bearish price action in tomorrow's trading session. So our entry level will be at 908. So sell at 908. Our stop loss will be 920 level. So our first take profit will be at 895. In case of breakdown below 895, we can expect another big fall. Okay, let me shift to the lower time frame. So this is 15 minutes time frame chart. So if you check the today's price action, so we got the symmetrical triangle in the morning session. We got the breakdown, right? So we got the fall. So we see a fall till the previous day low. So the first scenario will be as I explained previously. So once the breakdown happens below today's low, which is 908, so we can initiate a sell trade, right? So that is one scenario. So in case of breakdown below 908, immediately we can initiate a sell trade for the target of 895. The other scenario is if you see a bullish price action in morning session, so from this point we got the selling pressure, right? So from this point we got the selling pressure. So in case of bullishness in the morning session, do wait for the price to test the 920 level. So around 920 level, if we see a wick dominating candles, so if you see a wick dominating bearish candles, we can initiate a sell trade. So this is second scenario. Okay, so I'm expecting a some price action something less symmetrical triangle breakdown, retest at the same level, bearish price action. So this is second scenario. Our stop loss will be at 925 level. So around this level, this candle high. So our stop loss will be above 925 or high of the confirmation candle. Okay, our first take profit will be at 908. In case of breakdown below 900, we can expect a 895. Okay, the next stock is Ramco Cements Limited. So Ramco Cements Limited, currently the price is playing in a symmetrical triangle. So currently we got an huge engulfing bearish candle right from the resistance level, right? So this is the resistance level. So currently from the resistance level we see a huge bearish candle. So in case of breakdown below today's low, we can expect a bearish price action. Let me explain in lower time frame. So this is 15 minutes time frame chart. So if you see a breakdown below today's low, which is 978 level, so you see a breakdown below, do wait for the pullback. Do wait for the pullback. So this support will turn to the resistance, right? So you see a breakdown below today's low, do wait for the pullback, and with a good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side. Our stop loss will be at around 990, this candle high. So our first take profit will be at 960. So in case of breakdown below 960, we can expect a target of 940 level in tomorrow's trading session itself, because all the cement stocks are looking weak from couple of days, like Ambuja Cements and Ultratech Cements. So do watch this stocks, this cement stocks too. So they are looking good to trade on the sell side. So those are the five stocks which I have watch listed to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So for daily videos like this, make sure you are subscribing this channel. Thank you.